Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Kaushik. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay, good.
ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఒక
Yeah,
కాల్
yeah.
వస్తుంది.
Okay. Hello.
హలో, సారీ అండి. యా.
No worries, no worries. Um, all right. Okay, I'm sharing my screen and can you see it now? Just
యా.
okay, where were we? We were discussing on the inserts. Okay. So the insert when you are giving the date, right? Remember, either you have to give it in YYY MMDD format or MMDD YY format. You can even give it in DDMM YY format, but that the date shouldn't be greater than 12 because it is considering it as an MMDD YY format only, even if you are thinking it as DDMM YY format. Okay. If it is the DD is greater than 12, it gives an error. Okay.
ఓకే.
Because internally it is considered it as a MMDD YY format only. Okay.
యా.
This is about the insert stage. So now if you say there is a huge amount of data that is there in insert, what we have tested right now. Now let's go with the drop command. Okay. There is data entirely, but again you are going to do a drop. Okay, create and alter, and what is there is a delete drop. Now I'm just going to say drop table name. That's it. That is the syntax of the command. Drop table
డ్రాప్ టేబుల్ ఎస్ఆర్సి stud.
stud. Okay. You can give a semicolon or not, but in Oracle it is mandatory, big data at all, semicolon is mandatory. So please try to use this.
ఓకే.
This entirely dropped. Now
Yeah.
select star from SRC stud, it will throw what type of error it will throw?
This data is
Cannot be
deleted.
defined. Not
Could
only
not
the
be
schema and not only the data, but the schema also got dropped. Meaning if you
object.
just refresh it, you cannot see SRC stud under the tables. Look at here. Right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So there is no other way that we wanted to drop or delete only few records and all. That is going to drop the entire table along with the structure. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I need to do again, I will have to create the table. I'm just recreating it. I'm just executing the script. So that inserts also I'll execute. All these at one go also you can execute. There are some errors that will come. You can ignore that. Okay, the rest of the statements you can execute.
సో ఇప్పుడు మనం అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే కొన్ని ఎర్రర్ వస్తున్నాయంటే ఇంకా మిగతావి క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
ఇదిగోండి ఈ 3 చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి.
Yeah.
Select star from SRC start, right? There are 2 records that are there. Okay, we expect this is an error 1, 2, Chetan and the Jesse we didn't execute it seems. Okay, 1, 2, Chetan 9, 101 Chetan 9 is there. And then next, what is that? David null has expected. ఏంటేం చేస్తారంటే 4 కలిపి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, when I'm executing one, this specific one will come error, right? Then it will come out of it. It will insert these 2 statements. It came out the error, then it will ignore that. Okay, let's execute as a block again. So 101 RN 2 times it gets inserted. Okay, RN gives an error because it is 23 run, right? Inkokati RN English with the 2024 123 7.9 should not get inserted. See, the first 2 records వచ్చేసాయి, next conversion failed and it came out of it wherever the error comes. Okay, earlier there were 2 records, right? Now if I'm selecting, there are 4 records.
Okay, so error తర్వాత ఏమున్నాయి అవి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వవు. 7.9
ఏదైతే ఉందో మీకు ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందో మీకు it will come out of that statement. So in RL and all, it will not happen when we put it in begin transaction and commit transaction statements. Okay, on error go to, okay, or on error insert into error table. There will be an error table that will be mentioned. So in the TDL scripts and all, they will write that programming, kind of stored procedures and all. Okay, we will write these insert statements, and on error also what should happen, they are going to mention that. Okay, clear and now inserts and all.
Yeah.
We're good, right? Now delete, we can delete a specific record or we can delete the entire record. Now what is the issue with the truncate? Difference between truncate and delete, or truncate and drop. Okay, delete, you can specifically delete one particular record also. Okay, now where are we with respect to create is done, alter done, drop done, select is select we are just going with, right? Select star from table name. Okay, select insert is done, delete and this. Okay, let's try to complete today DMLs and రేపు మనం కావాలంటే ఇవి చెప్పచ్చు JDX right, constraints and all. Delete and truncate ki difference చెప్తే సరిపోతుంది. Okay, advanced SQL warehouse concepts. Yeah, now we are saying we wanted to select. So select, you can use all the star, meaning all the columns, or you can specify the column names. If you want to select only a specific columns, right? Select, you want only the student number, S name, comma, subject only to be, or subject you don't need, date of join only you want. You can go ahead with the specific columns. Okay,
yeah.
Okay, similar to insert. Now select is done, insert is done, then what we are going to,
if we want, we can select only one row.
Sorry,
if we want, can we select only one row?
one column also you can select, and you want to go
one row, like
yeah,
one
with the filter
record.
right? with the filter criteria. Okay, you want, the name, student name is Chetan. Okay, you
Okay.
just want that one record. You give a filter criteria. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a filter. It will filter out where condition is filter. So you can filter out, using the logical operators are equal to relational operators and all with where condition. And then we will use joins also, everything we can do. Okay. You want to select otherwise multiple rows or select distinct serial number also, you can just select. With select distinct serial number, then only one record will come. Okay. And you want to select only select top 1 star, first record. Top 1 star from SRC stud. If there are more than 10 records, you want only top 10 records. Okay, the first record would come.
Okay.
Okay, top 3, top 4, top 10, whatever it is. And you want it in the descending order also, you can give that select statement. This is in
Yeah.
SQL, remember, if it is in big data and in what we call cloud systems, right? So limit is the statement. Select star from SRC underscore stud, limit equal to 10 or limit equal to 1. You just wanted to see the sampling of the data. Out of the, if you are giving select star, there are lakhs of records are there, right? You do not want to see all the records. Then you can just give this one also. Select star from SRC underscore stud, order by, because serial number are the same, I'm just giving serial S name, or order by CGPA TAC, meaning whoever got the highest CGPA, that one record, I'm just selecting it. Right? Order by
Select top 1 from order by CGP. Okay.
Okay, even if you are giving select top 1 star also, it came like that, right? So you must be the thinking because CGPA, Chetan has the highest CGPA. You want giving it in the ascending order? Yeah. Remove this DESC and then do. David gave.
Okay. Null. Okay.
Okay. So these are the various things with select. We learn more and more as when we are doing differently with joins and all. This kind of things are ongoing. Now what we
Yeah.
decided, we know drop is going to drop the entire structure along with the data. Delete is going to delete all the records or a specific number of records where we are actually mentioning in the filter criteria, meaning where, right? Delete from table, delete from SRC stud, where SRC name number equal to so and so and all, where employee number equal to 335, 345, something like this. Okay. Delete is basically used for that. But delete is not going to drop the structure. It retains the structure. What is going to drop the structure? Drop table. It will remove the entire object itself from the schema. Delete will remove only the records, but the table remains as is. The table structure will remain as is, meaning the data that retains over there will be deleted. Okay?
Yeah.
And what is truncate? What is truncate? Any clue on it?
No idea.
Okay. Truncate is also going to kind of work as a drop table only. It will also retain the structure. Okay. Truncate table, what it will do? It is going to
Retain the structure but delete all the data.
delete all the records. It is as good as delete from SRCMP, something like this. Truncate table name, SRC underscore stud. If we give, is there any SRC underscore stud that exists now after the refresh? Yes, right?
Yeah.
And we have the data also.
Yeah.
Okay. There are 4 records now. I'm going to do truncate table, table name, SRC underscore start. Okay. Now do again select star from SRC underscore start. That all the 4 records have gone. Right?
Okay.
It is also equivalent to delete from table. Okay. Delete all the records from table. Right. It also holds the structure. Remember, if someone says that, along with truncate, that structure will also be dropped. No, only with the drop command, the object from the schema has been deleted. Like, the table object should be deleted. With truncate only, do that, what we call a kind of data manipulation language only, DML command only, which deletes the data, entire data. Then what is the difference between truncate and delete? Okay, why again truncate came? Truncate and delete. What would happen is, when you are deleting the records, it is all internal thing. You don't explicitly see it outside. You can delete the specific records. Okay, when you want to delete would help us to delete the specific records. Whereas truncate will not allow us to delete the specific records. Okay. Then what is the advantage of truncate? Why are we going with the truncate? What would happen is, delete is kind of soft delete only, as and when it is there. Meaning, although the data has been deleted, you can't find any of the records, but internally it will not release the memory occupied by the data. Okay.
So
Until unless you restart the database. Internally, the memory will not be freed up until the restart of database happens. Okay. So it is going to hold the resources still. You have deleted the data. I have 1 lakh records. Whatever was the memory occupied by those 1 lakh records, though you deleted, it is not going to release those resources for us, delete command. So that is the reason why in data warehouse environment, especially staging environment, staging tables are the kind of temporary tables that we do create. Okay, which is nothing but a truncate and reload. We do say it as a truncate and reload, meaning every day it deletes the entire data. If it is a fresh file, then it is going to reload the entire data so that the memory occupied will be freed up and it is going to write again on the same memory. Okay. The difference you do observe only in OLAP systems. Truncate will not be used much in the OLTP systems, online transactional processing, because you don't find that much of huge amount of data, right, to identify the resources have been released and all. Clear on this one, please?
Yeah, sure.
Very important.
So if we if we use delete and delete particular record,
right,
it will not retrieve again, right?
You
We
can
cannot
retrieve
retrieve.
again, but we'll have to figure it out. Once we deleted, it is deleted only. Okay. So where exactly, unless, they
Okay. Truncate means?
Truncate is also going to be deleted the entire records. There is no option
Delete.
to specifically delete only one particular record in using truncate. But internally, what would happen is, it is going to free up the space that occupied by the data. Delete will not free up the space, right? Suppose there are 1 lakh records that 2 GB of memory, right? 2 GB of space. If you are using delete from EMP, these 2 lakh records will be deleted, but the 2 GB will not be emptied. It will be hold with that until the DB refresh happens, database restart happens. Okay.
Okay.
Once you restart the database, then that is going to be freed up. Whereas truncate, what it will do, it will immediately release the space and it will allocate for something else. Okay. It will release the space basically, so that database can allocate that for any other.
No, I got it.
Yeah. Now that is the major difference between truncate and delete, which is very important. Okay. The structure will be there. Typically in data warehouse, we use truncate rather than delete. Okay. So clear on this one, please?
Yeah, this is clear.
Drop, truncate, delete. Now let's go with
Select
the update state. Okay. What is update? See, the space for the records remains same. Okay, delete. Whereas in truncate removes all records from a table, including all the spaces selected are removed. Structure remains same, however. Drop, delete objects from the database, deletes the data along with the structure. Okay.
Yeah.
Truncate, let me move it into DML commands. It is not a TDL command.
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask.
Okay. Now let's discuss on the update statement. Clear on that delete truncate, right? Drop.
Yeah, clear.
Alter tables,
Yeah.
create alter, select insert update. Now let's go with the update statement. Why do we use update statement? Suppose I want to update, right? Update statement needs to be used very carefully only. Okay. What is this update statement? How to use update? Okay, in my select star from S to D, I think this date is not there, right? SRC underscore star. No. Let me insert the records over there.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఏ లైన్ ఏది అని తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఎట్లా అండి? లైక్ ఇప్పుడు లైన్ నంబర్ 30, లైన్ నంబర్ 42 ఇట్లా
Page numbers, huh? I think there is a way
లైన్ నంబర్స్. యాహ్!
also. Error list.
స్టేజ్ లైన్ అని ఇందాక వచ్చింది. అంటే ఎర్రర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు చూపిస్తుంది.
వచ్చి వ్యూలో మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మీకు తెలీదండి. యూజువల్లీ మీరు నోట్‌ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్‌లో వస్తుంది.
ఓకే. యాహ్! నోట్‌ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ అయితే వస్తుంది.
1 second. There is a view. Let me bookmark window, call hierarchy, error list, task list, toolbox, find results, Windows toolbars. Somewhere it should be there. SQL editor. అంటే నేను ఇది చేసి చాలా రోజులైంది. టేబుల్ డిజైనర్‌కి వెళ్తే.
ఓకే. ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
But in you can find it only in view only. Okay.
యాహ్! ఓకే.
Just view లో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. Find results to this one other Windows toolbar. Query designer, because in big data and all I remembered. Designer, web browser, query designer, source control, leave out. You will have this line number. I will figure it out and let you know. And I forgot the option, but it will be there somewhere.
యాహ్! ఓకే. Sure. No problem.
No, white one. Somewhere in the external or customizer options don't make it correct. Toolbars, commands, text editor, wait, where commands. Okay. View window. Full screen tools. So turn on the roll numbers, it will be coming and over here. I'll just let you know. I forgot exactly, not on top of my head, but I'll let you know.
Yeah, no problem.
Task list or something. That is okay. Let's go to update command. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4. It is in the Oracle, immediately it comes, but this is control అంటే వేరే సెషన్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది మీకు అదే దాంట్లో ఉంది ఓకే
సారీ కంట్రోల్ ఎల్ అంటే కొత్త సెషన్ ఓపెన్ అయింది.
కంట్రోల్ కొత్త సెషన్
కొత్త సెషన్
అండర్ ద సేమ్ డేటాబేస్
and we can save that, right? Okay.
Yeah.
మొత్తం మారిపోయింది.
This is because I have used this continue statement. యూస్ ఏమో మార్చాను కదా నేను ఏవో వచ్చాయి command window, debug windows and all. There are 2 records over here. Now I want to update CGPA of Jesse. Okay, the value. So remember when you are updating, please be specific about the filter criteria, the where condition, which record you want to update. Otherwise, it is going to update all the values. What is the syntax of update? Update table name.
Table. SRC underscore.
Okay.
So we don't.
What is this? CGPA?
Set. Okay.
Equal to?
CGPA equal to
8.8 something. Where SNO equal to 101. If I'm going to give, both the records gets updated, right?
Yeah. So we can just SName.
So I will have to find out the unique identifier and I will have to give that unique identifier. Okay, SName equal to Jesse. Then one row record got updated. Okay, 8.8. Suppose you just said saying that update SRC stud set CGPA equal to 7.0. Okay. So you did not give the base statement, going to update for both the records.
Everything. Okay.
Right. Need to be careful that. Okay. So okay. I'm giving for Jesse it is 8.8. Update SRC stud set is the command that you need to type. Set what is the value of new value of the field command you want to update 8.8. To whom you want to update, where SName equal to Jesse. Okay, equal to, and if it is nchar, you will have to give it under the single quotes. Okay. Now, now you want to update multiple values, meaning multiple columns. Suppose subject also you want to update, right? Along with CGPA or date of join also in one statement. How do we do that? Update table name There is no table over here. Set subject equal to English. Comma, rate of join equal to, what is that?
2024.
2024 MMDD by or MMDD by or y by MMDD. So I'm just giving it as an MMDD, like 4th 1 2024, where S name equal to Chetan.
Okay.
Using this filter criteria. Okay. So the multiple statements you can update it with one. Okay, where the column should be separated by comma. Multiple columns at one go, you can just update. Okay, Andy?
But we can't select 2 rows at the same time, right? Like,
2 rows at the same time ante based on the filter criteria. You
yeah,
want to
like ఇప్పుడు
give rows.
like జెస్సీకి ఓన్లీ డేట్ ఆఫ్ జాయిన్స్ చేస్తున్నాము అప్డేట్, అండ్ చేతన్కి ఓన్లీ సబ్జెక్ట్ అప్డేట్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటే ఒకటే స్టేట్మెంట్ లో చేయలేము కదా.
What is that? You want to say update SRC start. Okay. Set
Set
what is that?
subject equal to
Subject equal to
maybe maths.
okay, math.
And date of join subject for Chetan equal to maths and date of join for Jesse.
Okay. Okay. Date of join for Jesse. Okay, but you can just give set subject equal to math for who?
For Chetan, where S name equal to Chetan. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I will say where S
Where
name
S name equal to Chetan.
Chetan. And you want to set?
Yeah.
Then you will have to go and use with the union operator. Okay.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
for Chetan, you want to update the subject, right? And you can update more statement, right? Update SRC start. Set. These two records are different. Okay. Set.
Yeah. Yeah.
Date of join equal to. But for one record, multiple columns you want to update, you can just go ahead with the separated by comma. Okay. Set date of join equal to. What is that? Set date of join equal to some. Okay.
04/23.
2024.
Yeah.
Okay. Where S name equal to Jesse. Okay. Okay, you can just update these two statements. Okay. But you want to update one value based on the multiple conditions, you can give it. Meaning that, you know, where S name equal to Jesse and CGPA is equal to 8.8, something like that. Okay. For multiple conditions, you can just give. But this one, multiple records you want to update, you will have to do 2 different update statements.
Okay, different update statement. Like by using comma.
By using comma, you can't give. You are going to give only for one record, different, whatever is the filter criteria that you have specified, that you can just give. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But if there are multiple criteria, right, that, you know, in the pair condition itself, something that, you know, update SRC stat equal to 101, where, you know, subject is null and S name equal to Jesse, that you can give. Okay.
Yeah.
Subject is a null and CGPA. So kind of multiple conditions, or subject is equal to null, or maybe like, you know, date of join is not null or something like that, or CGPA is equal to 7. Okay.
Yeah.
With logical operands and all you can give. Okay. This is about the update statement. Okay. Please try different cases, and I'll be sending these scripts also to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Please, I wanted you to practice more and come out with me if you have any doubts and all tomorrow, please. So insert updates, delete, drop. The majority portion was done, right? Detailed post content. When was it done? Done on 4/23.
Mm-hmm.
So this we did it on 4/21, right? NMF and all. I think that I haven't updated. But I want you to practice all the different statements. Okay, and then please come back to me if you have any doubts. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So tomorrow we will discuss on data control language, and then we will discuss grant, revoke, commit, rollback, how it behaves differently in SQL Server and how it behaves in the Oracle data types also. Okay. Schemas, tables and all was done, I think, along back. What is a table? What is a row? What is a column and all? This was done. Okay. 420.
Yeah.
This one, the last day we will done. Then once we are done with, data control language, we will go back to the data types, which is very important. Okay. Data types, we will be discussing these data types and then constraints. Okay.
Okay.
With that, we will be done with at least one part of this SQL, and then we will go with the advanced SQL.
Advanced SQL. Okay.
All right, Andy. I would request you to please go through it and then practice all these things. I'll be sharing these SQL scripts with you.
Yeah, sure.
And the recordings and everything. Okay. Please.
Yeah, sure.
Wait, update, and all that. Right. Then tomorrow we'll connect around 3 p.m. only. I'll be sharing this recordings and all. I think the mining meeting time is 2. So we can just go with part of data control language, but shall we discuss it tomorrow?
Okay, 15-20 minutes. I can join. It's okay.
I'm only 2 more minutes, right? Only again 5 minutes. All right, and we'll say that what is a commit, rollback, and grant command and all this stuff will there. Okay. Data control language. What do we mean by data control language? We are controlling the restrictions. As I told, grant, to which users we need to grant the privileges. Okay. So this can be done, as I told, even when you are creating the table, this can be done graphically as well as through commands also. Similarly, grant also can be done using this command or by using this graphically. We'll show you tomorrow how to do this one. Revoke also can be done. Okay. This grant revoke, how is it different than SQL servers to Oracle? Usually these will be used by developers only or support team. Okay. But we will not be using, we will have to place the request and all that stuff. Okay.
Okay.
All right, and then commit and rollback are the important things that we will be discussing it tomorrow. What is a commit statement in Oracle, how it behaves, and in SQL Server, how it behaves also. Commit and rollback statements. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sure, Annie. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, Mia. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, then I'll be sending the scripts also to you. So once you receive, to let me know. I have uploaded yesterday video part. Today's videos also I'll be uploading it.
Yeah, okay.
And the scripts and all also I'm uploading here.